Let's go back to TikTok to see if the followers we purchased is already counted. Remember, before we place an order right here, we have 3,965 followers, right? And all we need to do right now in order to confirm these followers has reflected is for us to just refresh, right? So all we need to do is to draw this thing down right here, and boom, you can see we currently have 4,095 followers, which means that the followers we actually boosted has already counted. Easy peasy. This boost strategy is making TikTok followers to explode in 2026. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this, and it's very simple. So all you need to do is for you to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end, and come right here. Let me show you something. You see this website right here, they call it growbetter.net. All you need to do is for you to come to this website. The link is in the description. Just tap on it and it will take you to the website. Come and create an account and do exactly what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So what you need to do is for you to come and create an account. And how do you create an account? Just come and tap on this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will bring you this place. Create a username, right? And come right here and put your email. Come right here, put your password, confirm your password, and you can see this I am human. See this box beside it. Tap on it and it's going to load and tick, and once it ticks and click on the sign up right here, your account is going to be created. Easy peasy, right? So because I already have an account, I don't need to create a new account. I just need to log into my account to show you guys how to use the platform. So let's go. So right here I've logged into my account, as you can see right here in the screen. So all you need to do basically is for you to come to this category right here. Can you see this category right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see Instagram followers, YouTube pack, blah blah blah, other social media platform. You can boost your followers on all those other social media platforms, but today we are doing TikTok. So I'm going to be looking for TikTok followers. So let's scroll and go, and right here you can see TikTok followers. There are several TikTok followers services right here, but I'm going to be using this particular one. They say TikTok followers 10% drop, fast delivery, new. So all you need to do is to select it, and right here the root service. Can you see the service? Tap on it. Once you tap on this service right here, all you need to do is to select preferable service. I like the first one. So right here the root description. All you need to do is to read it in order to understand what you're actually doing right here. So right here they say the quality is worldwide profile. They say start time is 8 stars, and they say speed is 20k a day. You can get 20,000 followers a day in this platform, and they say refill 10 days, and they also say important note: when the service is busy, the starting speed of the process may vary. They say do not place a second order on the same link before your current order is completed in the system. Is important, right? So when you place an order, just allow it, it's going to deliver. Do not place another one in that link because you're going to contradict it. And right here the root link is where you put your profile link. It's very easy. So if you don't know how to copy your link, let me show you how to do that. Let's go to TikTok. So right here we're on TikTok, as you can see right here. If you want to copy your link, it's easy. So come to this arrow right here. Can you see this arrow right here? Tap on it, and you can see this copy link down here. Can you see this copy link? Tap on it and your link is copied. So let's go back to TikTok. I want you guys to confirm we have 3,965 followers right here before we started this thing. We're going to come back and we're going to confirm that these followers are going to increase. So let's go, and all you need to do is to come right here and paste your link, and once you paste your link, come to quantity, put the amount of followers you want. Quantity is the amount of followers you want. I inserted only 100 because I want only 100 in order to teach you guys how to do it. And the next thing you need to do after you've inserted your quantity is to come to this submit right here. Can you see this submit? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, the next thing you need to do basically is for you to wait and allow these followers to start coming in. So right here you just need to exercise patience. These followers are going to come in, but before then I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you fund account in this platform? It's easy. So come to this three line up here. Can you see the three line up here? Tap on it, and by your left hand side you can see this add fund right here. Tap on the add fund. You can see it. Tap on it, and when you tap on it, you can see this dot right here. You can see this dot right here. Tap on it, and you will see two payment option right here. They have Korape, they have manual. So let's use Korape first, and we are going to use manual later. And just let's go. When you click on Korape, put the amount you want, and click on this pay right here. And once you click on this pay, Korape is going to ask you how would you like to pay. You can see how would you like to pay: debit card, bank transfer, or bank. If you select debit card, right, you will put your debit card details right here and click on pay. If you select bank transfer, read this instruction and click on this I understand instruction. Click on continue, and they are going to provide account number for you. Make payment to the account number, and you don't need to do anything. This payment is going to automatically reflect to your account. So let's go back. If you want to use manuals, come here, select manual, say can you make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, you can see the beneficiary. They say do not send below 1,000, it won't be refunded. And they say provide proof for payment screenshot with your username so that the payment can be confirmed and completed. They say click on this link to get directed to our admin, contact us. So all you need to do is either you click on this contact us, or you click on this WhatsApp icon. It will take you to the WhatsApp number, send proof of payment, and your global username. They're going to confirm your payment, easy peasy, right? So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So let's go back to TikTok to see if the followers we purchased is already counted. Remember, before we place an order, right here we have 3,965 followers, right? And all we need to do right now in order to confirm these followers has reflected is for us to just refresh, right? So all we need to do is to draw this thing down right here, and boom, you can see we currently have 4,095 followers, which means that the followers we actually boosted has already counted, easy peasy. And you can see these new followers right here. You can see 99 plus followers, so we don't need to tap on it. You can see these followers just added, they just entered a minute ago. All of them just entered a minute ago, which is the equivalent to the time we place this order. As you can see, easy peasy is exactly how you can actually boost your followers very fast. All you need to do is to come to this platform, do exactly the same thing I just did. The link is in the description. Tap on the link and it will take you to the website and create an account, fund your account, and do exactly the same thing I did, and you will be able to get these followers. So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing. So see you guys in my next video.